Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks rose overnight as traders combed through the latest batch of corporate earnings results, searching for clues on the health of corporate America. The S&P 500 rose 0.33%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.3%. The Nasdaq Composite added 0.28%. Earnings season pressed on with results from State Street and Charles Schwab before the bell. Schwab shares, which have come under pressure amid fears that the brokerage firm may suffer a similar fate to Silicon Valley Bank, rose 3.9% on a profit beat despite a decline in deposits. State Street fell 9.2% after missing estimates on the top and bottom lines. Behind the numbers, both Charles Schwab and State Street suffered billions in combined bank deposit outflows in the first quarter as customers continue to move their money in search of higher returns. Wall Street is closely monitoring the health of financial names this earnings period after Silicon Valley Bank's collapse last month spurred a liquidity crisis and rocked the broader sector. As companies grapple with sticky inflation and higher rates, many investors have braced for a downbeat earnings season. But data from Bank of America suggests that companies so far are hanging on. Of the names that reported during week one, 90% topped EPS estimates. That's the best beat rate to start earnings season since at least 2012, the bank said. The reporting period for financial companies presses on this week with results from Bank of America, Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. Outside of financials, reports from electric vehicle heavyweight Tesla and IBM and Netflix are also due out. Elsewhere, the S&P's communication services sector slumped 1.3%, led to the downside by declines from tech giants Alphabet, Netflix and Meta platforms. The Google parent fell more than 2% as the New York Times reported that Samsung is weighing making Bing its default search engine. In commodity news, China's lithium market is showing signs of bottoming out. Smaller producers are looking to stem losses after the price of the key battery material collapsed by over 2/3 in just 5 months. Thin stockpiles and improved prospects for battery storage and electric vehicle sales suggest that demand may be about to recover. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.2% fall. Thank you for listening.